What? Where? Is that good?
Yes, it's good.
Huh?
Yes, it's good.
I know I look good, but is this a good position?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Back here at Land's Place in our shop. We just got back from Iron Gap over at Belvedere with Josh Judge and Ivy. Had an awesome time, did a lot of trail riding. Kind of glad we didn't have the 300X ready because, man, it was a lot of rocks and a lot of rock crawling and stuff. So probably not the best place to ride this, but you know what? It's time to get this back together. Just torqued all the bolts on the head. We have basically the valve cover to put back on, adjust the valves, put the carburetor back on, and hey, ready to fire it up. So stick with us. Maybe you'll see this baby run today. We'll be all right, everybody. Got everything back together. I think don't have but a handful of parts left over. We're going to give it a little bit of gas through the carb and see what happens. Here we go. Cross your fingers.
Hey, don't forget that it's in gear.
Just for you viewers out there, these don't start unless the clutch is in if they're in gear. So just to educate Lexi on that. Or it'd be running me over right now while I started. So I was smart and I put it neutral. Alright, so final stages. We tried to start a while ago, but we found out it wasn't getting enough gas, so we went ahead and put the valve covers back on because we adjusted the valve. Valve covers back on, fuel tank's back on. We're going to choke it, and we're going to fire it up. See what happens. Gas is turned on. Not leaking any gas. Here we go, choke. Do no choke. There you go.